Hi friends, welcome to Colorful Drawing School. Today I'm going to draw a colorful butterfly. Let's draw and color it together.